Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on the application of Netflix. Here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to above and you can search about Netflix app and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.